Hello everyone, happy Easter, happy Resurrection Day. Thankful to be alive and to see another day. Y'all, these are my rows. They've been rising since early this morning. They are about ready. Those two in the middle a little sunken down, but that's all right. We got some big babies right there. So yes, I'm gonna put these in the oven and we're gonna get those cooking. For Easter Sunday, we having fried wingdings. I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna do some I have chopped up my red onions and my green peppers. I got my chicken wingdings laid out on my seasoning. House of Altry, y'all, is the best. Those my sweet potatoes. I gotta get those rocking. So Sunday dinner is gonna be fried cabbage, fried wingdings, and sweet potato casserole. So let's go on over here. I done chopped up my cabbage and I got it in the pan. I got to put my seasonings and my onions and my green peppers in, and we're gonna continue, folks. We're gonna have a good old Easter dinner. Hey y'all, okay, I'm seasoning my chicken. These are gonna be my fried chicken wingdings. So I'm putting the seasoning on it. I just put the pepper on there. We got some soul food seasoning salt. And I'm not putting a whole lot on here because my chicken batter already has seasoning in it. So we don't want to OD it. So those are the chicken wingdings. They got them nice and seasoned. And I'm going to put my flour in this container because I like to shake. Shake your booty. So yes, so I'm gonna put some in here. Just enough to batter up my chicken real good, and I'm gonna drop my chicken in, and I'm doing fried chicken wingdings, people. This is Easter Sunday dinner. Now to get my top, y'all, so I can shake it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them all in, and then I'm gonna turn on my grease and get my grease nice and hot. And y'all do know the key to know that your chicken is done is when it floats to the top of the grease. So, all right, I got it on in there. I'm gonna put this lid on here. Make sure it's nice and tight because we don't want flour everywhere. And then we're just gonna roll it, baby, roll it. Nice and easy peasy, roll it. All right, you take this off. Guess what? You got a perfectly floured wingding. Yes. So there we go. We got coating everywhere. So I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. I'm going to turn on this chicken grease. And I got my fried cabbage over here cooking. So turn on the chicken grease. And then I'm going to drop those. So while we're waiting for that grease to get nice and hot. And I use bacon grease when I fry my fried cabbage. So that there is leftover bacon grease from the other morning. Gives it all. Bacon grease is the best, y'all. So I'm going to just add a little bit more to my pan. And let this keep frying. And I'll give y'all a peekaboo at this once it get to a good point where it's something for you to see. Because right now, it's just raw cabbage. So we're going to work on, this is my sweet potato casserole. And I'm just going to mash my potatoes, y'all. My sweet potatoes. They are canned sweet potatoes, people. When I do my sweet potato casserole, I use canned sweet potatoes. When I do canned yams, I do whole sweet potatoes. So yeah, I got certain potatoes I use for certain things. So I'm just gonna match these up and we'll be back. Hey, okay. So I got my sweet potatoes all mashed up. And now I'm about to put in my cinnamon. I love a lot of cinnamon, so I'm heavy-handed with the cinnamon. No measurements, y'all. Cinnamon, nutmeg. Just load it on in. We got to have some seasoning in our sweet potatoes. So, okay, that's my nutmeg. I got me some vanilla here. So, of course, I'm not going to pour this in because we don't want too much. So, just some. Okay, some is on there. And I use lemon extract. And I do measure this. Just one little cupful. Because this stuff is potent. But we want to get it all over it. Then I'm going to mix in all my good old seasoning and stir this stuff up. And then we're going to add our sugar. I'm going to put an egg in here and some milk. And then we're going to be, oh my God, this lemon smells so wonderful, y'all. Just, this lemon is just some kind of smell good. So right now, we just, y'all see how brown it is? That's my seasonings. So, all right, I only put one egg in. So I'm going to crack my egg. Then I'm going to get it nice and beat up. And then I'm just going to pour the egg in it. And then I'm going to mix that on in. And get that mixed in really good. So, and then my sugar is next. I put my milk in last. And that's my fur baby, y'all. I'm sure y'all seen some of her, I got a couple of videos on my page, so y'all make sure y'all check those out. But she's a hound boy. She barks and barks and barks. No matter what's going on, I'm gonna cut out. I'll be back. Too much noise. Okay, I'm back, and she is quiet now. There must be someone outside. She don't like people to drive down the road and nothing else. Yeah, she get all super duper crazy. I have put some sugar in it. And like I said, I really don't measure, so I go by the way it looks. And I can see I need a little bit more sugar because these are sweet potatoes, baby. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some more sugar on. There we go. Here's a little bit of more sugar, and I'm going to add my milk. So I put the milk on in, and then I'm going to stir it up. And that's when we're going to get all nice and creamy and get our sweet potato casserole popping. So you got to stir slow, or milk will be everywhere, y'all. So nice and easy. Slow. Oh, man, y'all, I forgot my butter. Almost messed up. That's okay. I remember before it went in the oven. And then I put marshmallows on top, y'all, because it is a sweet potato casserole. I still got some milk over here in the corner. So I'm going to keep doing this. Let me get that butter real quick. Alright. Got my butter. And I just put it on in. Then I mix it up really good. That should do it. Okay. So I'm going to keep mixing and twisting. And yeah, I can use my mixer, but I like to mix stuff with my hands. I do have a mixer. I just bought one because normally I hand mix, but I was like, there's a lot of work, and I did just buy one. So I guess I'm gonna crank that box open and start using it. So, but again, I'm still mixing, getting my stuff all the way I want it. I'm thinking I'm gonna add just a tad bit more milk, just a tad over here. All right, now we're done with that. So this is almost ready to go into the oven. And my fried cabbage is behind me on the stove, getting nice and good. So, all right, so my sweet potatoes are going in the oven. I'll put the marshmallows on after it cooks almost 2/3 of the way. There go my rolls. Don't they look good? My cabbage is coming along. And my chicken is in the grease. So I'll be back. Alrighty. That fried cabbage is coming along. Y'all see that chicken floating at the top of the grease? Remember what I said earlier? Once that chicken starts floating, it's done. Alrighty. The rolls are ready. I put the butter on them. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. I love bread, and bread is the best, and those are some big old rolls. My cabbage is still coming on along. It's frying up nicely. I turn it over. So your fried cabbage, y'all, if y'all never had it, it's the best. The best. And we got the last batch of chicken in. And the sweet potatoes are in the oven. Alright, y'all, that cabbage is almost done. Y'all see them green peppers? We got some red onions in there too, but you can't see those. And you see how the fried cabbage is a little brown? That's how it's supposed to be. And guess what? My chicken's floating. So that's the last batch of chicken. So all we are waiting on now is the sweet potato casserole. Yep, that fried chicken is done. Fried chicken wingdings, nice and crispy. Smelling some kind of good, some kind of good. Hey, I'm all done. That's the fried chicken wingdings and sweet potato casserole. That's the side. Then we got the fried cabbage. And we got some good old rolls. And dessert will be sweet potato pie. I had made that some time ago. So, yeah, I have it. And we're going to eat that. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you all got your stomachs growling and you feeling hungry. I hope everyone had an amazing and great Easter. Be blessed, stay positive, subscribe, like, comment, and share to get this in the universe. Peace and blessings to you all. Thank you for taking the time to check it out. Have a great, great day.